Okay, this is the Cricut homepage, and I just went to beginner projects, and I just went through this. I know this is Cricut Access, but I have tons of stuff. But I went ahead and picked this deer and this tree, added it to the canvas, and then I ended up putting tree on both sides of the deer, and then I went to the text and put in Merry Christmas. Now you'll see me get this shape, and I'll put it behind there. I only do this to make sure the colors will look good on the shirt that I'm going to do. And I kind of just went back and forth between white and gray, and I ended up just doing gray. So on this part I forgot to group and actually weld the black together and the greens together. This just makes it easier to put on the shirt, and especially if you're a beginner, I would recommend doing this. That way you have it accurate. So on this screen, you see the black is together and the green is together, and you always put it on a mirror. It's very important, always on mirror. And then you get to this part, and I just put it on everyday iron on it, and then you should be good to go. So here you need is your Cricut tool, your scissors, your mat, and of course your vinyl. And then you just start to weed it out. I usually cut the excess out first, and then I start to weed it out. If you want to know where I get my vinyl, I will link them in the description below. So I went ahead and put this cute little jacket over it because I thought it would tie in with it, and I love how it looks. Tell me what you think.